Good morning, my dear students. Today we are discussing one more topic in third unit. So, acid-base balance. Today we discuss about acid-base balance. So, what is the importance of the acid-base balance in our body? First, we discuss about the importance. What is the importance of the acid-base balance? The acid-base balance is maintain the pH value. It maintain the pH value and regulation of some biological reactions, and metabolic reactions. And the next one, mainly involved in the acid base balance, mainly involved in the digestion of food, mainly involved in the digestive tract. So the acid base balance, for example, the what is the blood pH value? What is the blood pH value? What is the blood pH value? What is the stomach pH value? What is the stomach pH value? And the next one, and different organs having the different pH values. The stomach pH value nearly 2.4 pH value. The next one, the blood pH value is a maintained the 7.3 to 7.4. 7.3 to 7.4. So these are the range between the blood pH value 7.3 to 7.4 up to 7.4. The blood pH value is maintained by the acid base balance. The stomach pH value also maintained by the acid base balance. And regulation of the biological reactions, maintenance of the metabolic reactions, and mainly involved in the digestion of food and any other substances in the body. So the acid base balance, how to maintain the acid base balance in the body? So first, the production of acids by the body. Production of acids by the body. So first, the acid bases both are balanced by our body. So production of acids by the body. So for example, the metabolism of the body accompanied by the overall production of acids, these including volatile acids. The production of acids by the body. Which type of acids are produced? One is the volatile acids, and second one, volatile acids. And the second, what is the volatile acids? Example, carbonic acid. The volatile acid example is the carbonic acid. The next one, second one is that it produces the volatile acids, and as well as the lactic acid and sulfuric acids also produces. The volatile acids, not only carbonic acid, lactic acid, sulfuric acid, sulfuric acid, H2SO4. These are all produced by our body. So the next one, it produced the sulfuric acid, the H2SO4 produced from the proteins. The volatile acid examples is the carbonic acid. The next one, volatile acid example, carbonic acid, lactic acid, sulfuric acid. So the H2SO4, the sulfuric acid produced from the protein. The next one, it production of acid. These three, carbonic acid, lactic acid, sulfuric acid. It maintain the acid balance in the body. Acid balance in the body. The next one, some organic phosphates also. Second one is the organic phosphates. Organic phosphates also maintain the acid balance. So totally, overall definition of the acids. So a diet rich in animal protein. A diet rich in animal protein results in more acid production. more acid production. So the more acid production in the diet rich enough animal proteins, it leads to the excretion of the urine and production of acidic. So in case of more amount of the acid presented in the body, it leads to the presented in the urine formation, the urine as a eliminated as a acids. So it is the maintenance of the acid body. The next one, production of bases. Production of bases by the body. Second one is the production of bases by the body. The formation of the basic compounds in the body, the negligible amount of the bicarbonates are generated from the organic acids. So these are the bases. Examples is the bicarbonates. The bicarbonates are produced from the bicarbonates are generated from the organic acid. These are generated from the organic acids. Organic acids, like what are their organic acids? What are their organic acids? Like a lactate and citrate. Lactate and citrate. Lactate and citrate. So production of bases. The production of bases produced from the bicarbonates. The bicarbonates are produced from the organic acids like lactate and citrate. The lactate and citrate maintain the base balance in the body. So the next one, not only lactate and citrates, the ammonia is produced in the amino acid. Ammonia also example for the base. Ammonia also example for the base. The ammonia is produced from the amino acid. So these are the not only lactate, citrate, the ammonia also example for the base. So it converted as it is mainly involved in the urea cycle. Elimination as a urea from the body in the urine. So what is the exact definition of this production of the bases of the body? A vegetarian diet has an alkalizing effect on the body. So the next one, so first, what is the acid base balance? The acid pH is the next one. The acid bases both are maintain the pH value, and the next one, regulation of the biological reaction, metabolism of the metabolitic reactions also, and involved in the digestive tract also. So for example, blood pH value 7.3 to 7.4, stomach pH value is 2.4. Exact maintenance of this particular pH values depends upon the acid base balance. Any changes occurs in the acid base balance, the pH also changes. Any changes occurs in the acid base balance, the pH also changes. That particular changes in the pH is rectified by the acid base balance. So how to rectify the acid base balance? The production of the acids and production of the bases. Examples is the volatile oils, organic phosphates, and production bases examples is the bicarbonates and ammonia. By using of acids and bases, maintain the acid base balance in the body and maintain the pH values. So this is about of the acid base balance. The next one topic is the pH. What is the pH? Exact definition of the pH is the negative logarithm of hydronium ion minus log H3O plus. Simple definition is known as a pH. Negative logarithm of hydronium ion is known as pH. So what is the importance of the pH? The pH is the maintain and regulation of the reactions, and maintain the enzymatic reactions also. Maintain the enzymatic reactions also. So the pH range, what is the pH range? The pH range is the 1 to 14. The pH range is the 1 to 14. The pH range, the 1 to 14 is the pH range. range of pH. So the pH range is divided into three categories. So one category is the 1 to 7, and the next one category is 7, and the next one category 7 to 14. 7 to 14. 1 to 7 category is known as a acids. The next one 7 is exactly 7 is a neutral, and the next one 7 to 14 is a base. 7 to 14 is a base. So what is the pH? Negative logarithm of hydronium ion is known as pH. What is the importance? It mainly involved in the maintenance of the reactions, especially enzymatic reactions. The next one 1 to 14, these are 1 to 14 is the pH ranges. It divided into three types. Number 1 is the 1 to 7, number 2 7, number 3 7 to 14. 1 to 7 is the acid, 7 is the neutral, 7 to 14 is the base. Example, what is the examples of the pH? So we are already discussed about the blood pH. What is the blood pH? Is the 7.3 to 7.4. 7.3 to 7.4 means this is the basic in nature, basic pH value. The next one we are already discussed about the stomach. What is the stomach pH value? 2.4. 2.4 means in between of the 1 to 7 means it is the acidic balance. It is the acidic pH value. So the next one, exact water, exact 7 pH. Exact 7 pH is the water. Exact 7 is a water. This is called as a neutral compound. So what is the importance of the pH? We are already discussed. The pH is divided into how many types? We are already discussed, and examples also we have discussed. So the next one, these are the pH is what is the importance of the pH? How to maintenance of a pH value in the body? By using of the buffers. So by using of the buffer, what is the buffer? Maintenance of pH value in the body is known as a buffer. Buffer is the maintenance of a pH value. For example, blood pH value is 7.3 to 7.4. Exactly 7.3 to 7.4 pH value is maintained by the buffer. In case of any changes occurs in the pH value, we are added the buffer to a particular solution, maintain the particular pH value. So one more word is here, buffer capacity. What is the buffer capacity? Buffer capacity means how much of amount of buffer added to pH, and then change in the pH value is known as a buffer capacity. How much of buffer is added to resistance changes in the pH value is known as a buffer capacity. For example, 1 ml of buffer added to a 1 ml of buffer added to a exact pH value, and any changes occurs in the pH value. Is known as a buffer capacity. How much of amount of buffer is added to the resistance changes in the pH value is known as a buffer capacity. So the next one, the buffer capacity, the maintenance of the pH, the maintenance of the blood, not only blood pH, not only stomach pH, including each and every organ having their particular pH values. Each and every pH value, each and every organ having a buffer and buffer capacity. The buffer and buffer capacity is maintain the pH value. What is the examples for the buffer capacity? What is the examples for the buffers? So buffers examples is the bicarbonate buffer. Example is the bicarbonate buffer, HN bicarbonate buffer. And second one, phosphate buffer. These are the protein buffer. protein buffer. These three are the examples for the buffers. So what is the importance of the buffer? If you maintain the pH values in the body, what is the buffer capacity? How much of amount of pH buffer is added to a resistance changes in the pH value. Then next one, what is the pH? Negative logarithm of hydronium ion. Then next one, the pH is classified into how many types? It divided into three types: 1 to 7, 7 and 7.7 to 14. 1 to 7 is the acid, 7 is a neutral, 7 to 14 is the base. So this is the about of buffer. So this is the about of buffer. This is about the pH. So the pH is this one is the updated pH. So the Sorensen, it is the Sorensen scientist identify the one buffer pH scale. Identify the pH scale. What is the pH scale? So for example, this is called as a pH scale of the Sorensen pH scale. Sorensen pH scale. It's divided also 14 types. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So in here, what is the normal pH value? 1 to 14. But in here 10 to the power of 14, 10 to the power of 13, 10 to the power of 12, 10 to the power of 11, 10 to the power of 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10 to the power of 10 up to 14 to 1. So here 14 to exact 7. 14 to exact 7 is known as a acids. Is known as a base. And the next one, 7 to 1, 10 to the power of 7 to 1 is a base. Exact 7 is a neutral. So what is the main difference between normal pH scale, Sorensen pH scale? In Sorensen pH scale, is the base is the 10. The base is the 10 is nothing like that log. Base is 10 is nothing like a log. So each and every base having the one negative indication. So simply the Sorensen scale is the definition is a negative logarithm of hydronium ion. What is the 14, 13, 12, 11? This is called as a hydrogen concentration. This is known as a hydrogen concentration. So simple definition is a negative logarithm of hydronium ion. Or Sorensen, as per the Sorensen pH scale, it is divided into three categories: minus 10, 14, minus 10, 13, minus 10, 12, minus 10, 11, up to minus 10, 1. So what is the minus? Negative. What is the 10? Log. Base is the log. And what is the 1, 2, 3, 4? Hydrogen. So simple definition of the Sorensen pH scale, negative logarithm of hydronium ion is known as a Sorensen pH scale or pH definition. Okay, it's clear. So this is up to here. We are completed the acid base balance and as well as a pH. So next we discuss about the buffer. Buffers. So what is the buffer? The body is developed the lines of defense, the regulation of the body, acid base balance, maintenance of the pH value. The regulation of the definition, the buffers is defined as a regulation of acid base balance and pH values. In the body is known as a buffers. The buffers is the maintenance. How to maintenance of the buffer? The buffers is the maintained by the, for example, blood buffers. The blood buffers is maintain the exactly 7.3 to 7.4 pH is maintained in the body. 7.3 to 7.4 maintenance in the body. So what is the buffer? We are already discussed in before topic. Buffer is a maintain the pH value, maintain the pH value, and as well as the maintain of the blood pH value. Not only blood pH value, stomach pH value is also. The next one, buffer capacity. What is the buffer capacity? So how much of amount of buffer is added to a pH values, and any changes occurs in the pH value by adding of the buffers is known as a buffer capacity. What is the examples for the buffer capacity? Bicarbonates, phosphates, the next one proteins. These three are the examples for the buffer capacity. So the next one we discuss about the buffers. So what is the buffers? What is the importance of the buffers? The next one we are already discussing before topics like a pH, and the next one acid base balance also. So the next one we discuss about the buffers. So what is the buffers? The buffers is the maintain the pH values, and as well as the pH values, as well as the not only pH values, as well as the maintenance of the acid base balance also. Maintenance of acid base balance also. So the next one, this buffers is the mechanism of buffer action. What is the mechanism of action? So how to maintain the pH values, how to maintain the acid base balance. So what is the mechanism of action? MAO, mechanism of action. What is the mechanism of action? So let's we discuss, consider as a buffer pair acetic acid and sodium acetate. Buffer examples is not only bicarbonate, not only phosphates, proteins. A lot of examples are there. So for example, acetic acid and sodium acetate. Acetic acid and sodium acetate. These two are the examples for the buffers. So these are the, for example, what is the acetic acid formula? CH3COOH. CH3COOH. So it's divided into one acid and one base. It is the compound. One compound always it is combined with the acid and bases. So one acid and one base. CH3COO minus plus H plus. The next one, sodium acetate. What is the sodium acetate formula? CH3COO Na is the sodium acetate. This is called as a acetic acid. This is called as a sodium acetate. The sodium acetate also divided into CH3COO minus plus Na plus. CH3COO minus. So the next one, when a acid is added to acetic ions, the buffer bind to the H plus ions. So this is called as a acetic acid, and the next acetic acid and sodium acetate is divided into acid and bases. So when acid, for example HCl, when acid is added to this compound, then acetate ions of the buffer bind to the H plus ions to form acetic acid, which weakly ionizing. For example HCl, the HCl is divided into H plus Cl minus. The H plus ions is bind to the acetic acid, acetate only. So H plus CH3COO minus, here only CH3COO minus, it produces the again CH3COOH, acetic acid. The acetic acid is a maintain the blood pH value, and maintain the by every pH value is maintained by the acetic acid. So but the acetic acid is the weakly ionizing pair. When base is added, in case of here acid is added, this is called as acid is added to a acetate. So in case of base is added, what is the base example? NaOH, sodium hydroxide is a base. In case of base is added to a particular sodium acetate, in here NaOH, the NaOH is divided into Na plus OH minus. The OH minus is added to the sodium acetate. It produces the sodium acetate. It produces the, so one is the, for example in here CH3COO is added to the H plus ions here. Remaining is H plus is here, and the next one here OH minus. H plus OH minus. It produces the water. This is a neutral compound. In acetic acid, it divided into CH3COO minus plus H plus. The CH3COO is added to a acid. It produces the acetic acid. The H plus ion is added to a base. It produces the water. So this is the mechanism of action of buffers. So what is the buffer capacity? We are already discussed about the buffer capacity. So what is the exact definition of the buffer capacity or buffering capacity? Buffer capacity or buffering capacity. So the efficient of the buffer is maintenance of the constant pH. The buffering capacity is maintain the a constant pH. constant pH. A constant pH so is known as a buffer capacity. So the buffer capacity depends upon the concentration of pH or concentration of acid or base. Concentration of pH or concentration of acid or bases. So this is about of the buffer and buffer capacity, pH, and as well as the acid